Hey everybody, Dane here with Stahls. Today I'm going to show you how to add and replace a piece of clip art in Stahls EasyView LTE. So as you can see down here, we have layout 3D-595 already in place, and I recolorized the text. So now what I want to do is take this image here and do something else with it. We'll replace it with a fish. So I'm going to click on it. If you notice over here it says replace clip art. Sometimes you see that, sometimes you don't. If you don't, I'll show you how to do it after. So I'll click on this. I'm going to replace it with a new piece of clip art. And I know I want to do a fish, so let's just go ahead and type fish and see what we get. So we know it's a Gulf of Mexico, so a marlin might work. Let's go ahead and load some more. This marlin would work. So it looks even better, right? So does that. So let's do this. We're going to click it with this marlin here. It's going to replace it. And then we can click on them and kind of resize it a little bit. Might be a little bit too much space at the top, but that looks pretty cool. So there you go. That works. Now, if for some reason you click on it or there's an image that you layout that you open up and it doesn't have the little link over here, you see that? So let's go ahead and delete this fish. So now if you just need to replace it, or you want to experiment, or you want to get something different, let's just go ahead and add clip art here in the blue bar. And it'll take us to the clip art stuff. And again, let's go ahead and let's use this one this time. So it's going to place it in there, and what we can do is we can kind of resize it and get it like we want. I definitely want to make sure that the fish are over top of the type. I think it might make it a little bit more interesting that way. So go ahead and position it something like that. I can still read all my text. That looks pretty cool. So that's how you replace the clip art in Stahls EasyView LTE.